Kiharo-ini kia ulinzi mwena wa Lang'atago ku Nairobi ni kwigogona ria kuhe gitio kia muthia uria urari munene wa mbiraru General Francis Ogolla ritafaneirio kuringana na mitaratara ya ruhonge rwa mbiraru mbere ya hurukitio muthenya wa rucio.
He spoke in a certain tone that would suggest that my son, I won't always be here and you will need to take care of my wife and my other children.
Akiaria handu-ini ha family MURIU wa General Ogolla niwe Joel Omondi Ogolla ni ataririo ri ithe acakayaga hindi ria abitha wa mbiraru akwira wira-ini wake na muno makiria hindi ria marang'ethanira na itoi cia AL-SHABAAB kuria acakayaga o ta uria gicakaya gikuũ kia mwana wake.
His worst days was when he had or rather different days he hears his soldiers have been hit. He was actually mourning like he was mourning a child, and he'd go down to his knees and ask God, what is happening here? Hand for me strength. Nahitaji kulima hii AL-SHABAAB kabisa. Nahitaji kulima hii bandits kabisa.
Omondi ni agwetete ithe ta mundu urari na ucamba munene hoka ni guthingatithia kioneki giake gia kugacirithia thayu guku akihoya nyene amuongerere hinya wa kuhukia thu cia bururi uyu.
His ultimate dream was to have a fully peaceful Kenya. Any Kenyan, be it from Baringo, Chemolingot, Lamu, Mandera, Wajir, any corner of this country, he wanted them to be safe. A child to go to school, get an education, pursue their dreams, and he died doing that.
Oho ni agwetete General Ogolla ta mundu urahete andu othe gitio hatari muthutukanio.
I can guarantee you right now, ule private mwenye amekaa pale juu kwa kona and me, he viewed us almost the same. You may not have had the same privileges I might have had being his son, but in his heart of hearts, the lowest person, the cleaner, to his vice, he treated all of them with respect.
Ihoya riake kuri ruhonge rwa mbiraru ni kwihanda wega niguo kuhota kung'ethanira na thu riria mari mbara-ini ya kugacirithiria bururi thayu na matigetikire kuguoyohio ni itoi cia AL-SHABAAB guku akimoria magie na ucamba ta uria kirari kioneki kia ithe kigie bururi uyu.
Musikubali kuogopa AL-SHABAAB. Kama mdosi wenyu hakuwa anaogopa adui, basi mnaogopa nini? Si yeye amelala hapa na sisi wote tutalala hapa. Mukipewa mission ya kwenda kulima adui, maliza kabisa. Na ukifanya skirmishing, confirm. Ongeze 3 za kichwa. That's how he would have wanted it.
Mutigairi General Ogolla akahurukio muthenya wa rucio itura-ini ria Ng'ia gicigo-ini kia Alego Usonga county-ini ya Siaya kuringana na wedi wake wa kuhurukio rungu rwa mathaa 72 thutha wa gikuũ giake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.